Hello, this is Isaac Ajao. I want to take us through some basics in Python. Basics like addition, subtraction, assigning of variables, and so on. So this is Python using Jupyter. See, in the earlier video I explained how to get this. Click on this, how to have this is just this markdown. So just click the tip here, enter it, become topic or the heading. Now here, you shouldn't mind the value here. Let me see. Okay. Search panel. Search view line number. So the line number are there. Line number are also very useful, just for us to know where we able to locate which number is your code. So now this is where I got it. This is the line number shift. So now I've hidden it. Now here I can perform this operation. These are one of the basic Python operation. You have assigned A to 5, B to 10. Then print. If I don't want to use print, it will still give me my answer. But it's better to use it so that you want to have a result. So now we are saying A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10. If I want to run this now, I can click here and come to cell, run cell. It gives me the answer. But if I want to use, let me just click here, run cells. You can see A plus 10, A plus B, 5 plus 10, making it 5. If I want to change this, I can change this to 8. Print A plus B. So instead of coming here, I love shortcuts. In one of my videos I've explained, you just place cursor here, then you press your control button and enter, and see 18, and so on and so forth. You can change this to something else, minus. So minus 2, you can see 8 minus 10. I'm going to change it to multiplication. See, that's 80, and so on. So this you can use Python, this IDE as a Jupyter, as a mathematical tool, or as a calculator. So using NumPy now, because you can use any of them. NumPy, you have not made use of any specific library here. But here, we want to do a specific job, so we need to import NumPy. Any library we want to use here must have been installed. I explained that in one of the initial videos. You go to CMD, just type CMD here. Just type CMD here. CMD. Come to command prompt. You can install your NumPy here. So having installed that, after you have installed that, you can now say import. If you are using import without the installation, you have error here. So import NumPy as NP. So anywhere you want to use NumPy, it is NP you are going to use. That's what it means. So array of number. See, this is np.array. It is this array you are bringing here. You can see the kind of brackets you are using. Python is sensitive to use of brackets. So, and you can see the comma. You may not really put space. It doesn't give you. So the meaning of this is that in this array of number, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what this array does is to make sure it follows sequentially. Now, if I say array, you know this is array now. Each of these will be multiplied by 2. That's what it means. And we still arrange it. If I say this now, array, one of them multiplied by 2 will give us 2. So we're going to have another array of number in this way. Though there may not be comma there. You're going to have 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. You're going to have 2 times 3, 6. 8, 10. So you're going to have, so the result here will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's run it to see. Just click here, Control, Enter. See. What does this is mp.array. It's one of the NumPy library. So that's what it does. As you can see, if I change this to 3, rerun it, you're going to have 3, 9, see, so if 3 is here, this is going to be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Let's run it. You can see. If it's 1000, that's what it's going to give it to us. So, array minus, change that operation. You can see, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So, that's how we do it. Then, using pandas now. Now, pandas is very good when it comes to arrangement. Getting a table. I mentioned this when I was explaining the libraries. You want to come with a table. Pandas is very good at that. Give you in tabular form. Now, you want to write people's name or proper name, so to say. Look at name here. Now, look at the arrangement here. The way I put it. This is data. Data can be anything. I can call it my data. I can use my name. Now, look at this curly bracket. Look at the kind of bracket we have inside. Now, name here. It is going to be in, I put quotes. It's in quotes because it is string. This is computer doesn't understand English. So when writing anything that is outside number, it's only number you can write without putting anything. If you are writing text, character that is not numeric, we call them string. So you can see you have to put your quotes. Now you put a colon. Then what you want to be under that, this is the label for a column in the table. So this table that we're about forming, it has 2 columns, name and age. Under the name we are going to have Alice, Bob, Charlie. Age, we have 25, 30, 35. Now, why are they 3, 3? You must have a balance table. I cannot go ahead to have four ages here. No, because there's 3 here. So it must be balanced. Now, this can be formed in 2 ways, but I love the way it is written here. So this is each. Under that each we have this. Then the PD does data frame. You can see this capital D. If it's R, in fact, it's a different thing. It's going to be small letter here, dot, small letter F. But this is Python. So here, the PD is what is doing it is pandas. This is library doing it. So represented by PD, just like a MP represents NumPy. PD is representing pandas. These are the basics. These are the things you need to know before we go into data analytics using Python, precisely Jupyter IDE. So here, this is DF. See, DF, normally we prefer using DF. DF simply means, we normally use DF whenever we want to have a table. And what does it mean? Just data frame. It's data frame. So now you are free to use anything. So here, it's going to aggregate everything together. So data, you can see PD dot data frame. Don't make mistake of writing small letter here. Capital letter F, capital letter D. Yeah, because it's standard. Then data, the data is this. See the one that's going to perform, it's going to give us a table with a column name, this. Column name is this. So let us print the data frame. Executing it, you don't need to go to run, just click here and control enter. See. How does the if I remove print, just type df, let me enter it. You can see it appear nicer. So that's one of the secrets. So if I put print, it's going to be tiny. Now I can increase this. If I increase this, for example, if I put Adeola, has to be in quotes. Of course, I have to increase this. Deola each can be others. Okay, can be 28. And let me rerun. You can see Adeola here. One thing I want us to notice is this. You see, the columns, we have two columns, but we have four rows. Python will not give you 1, 2, 3. So the first, they are called index. The first row here, 0 is automatically assigned to it. So whenever you see the last, for you to know the dimension, all you need to do is just go to the last one, look at it. If it is 4, that will be minus 1, that will be 4 plus 1, that will be 5. This is 3 plus 1, that will be 4 observations. That is how it is done. And that is how you can get the dimension. So, have a nice day.